Rengkat berkabalang Katolik Salonsar ke Perthai. Kajelan nyamba Shillong kala penkreak lang ban snok tilang. Ban ai kublai kadu ya kupa bakuit Pope Francis. Haswa ban tep no ya haka arpun riu tarik mentau benai hanong barum. Habakran batkilat pathai kubor spokesperson ke Media Commission jong ka Shillong Archdiocese ba Bidarius Shila rengkat badu Reverend Padar Gerald Kongji kilayathu. Kat kum kajing trang jong Pope Francis kumta en satep haka yeng mane Basilica Saint Mary Major hanong barum. Uba Bedarius urayathu ru ha jelaniam ba Shillong kindon kimas bakhuit haka arphulai arphusau bat arphusan tarik ha yeng mane ba lajum kra hakapor san shiteng baje janmiet bat habaro ki paris jong kane ke jelaniam kat kum kapor baki penben. Kat bah haka sngi batep Pope Francis kata haka arpu henriu tarik yayong kandon kamas bakut haying mani ba lajum kra haka por shipho baje menstep bat kani kan long kumju habaro ki parish.
Cardinal Kevin Joseph Farrell haka arpu tarik yayong mentau snem haka por kandai sa pu nyau menstep jong ka por Rome upa bakut Pope Francis lakhat no haka por nyau lai pusan menstep kat kum ka por Rome kabai dei hakapor katway San Minute hakapor India. Ulaklat haka Jakarta jung Domus Sancti Martyr Vatican City nakadaw jung gajing pang stroke, but irreversible cardiovascular collapse. Ya gajing klan no jung Pope Francis lapan shisha daw Cardinal Kevin Joseph Farrell. Mentagasni arpulai tarik April yong hakapor kandai bajim step jung kapor Rome lani hakapor kat architeng kapor ha India hadin kajing laniam yakaba and pendep da Reverend Eminence Cardinal Kevin Joseph Farrell and rano yakamet Pope Francis nakayeng mani jong Domus Sancti Martyr syakayeng mani ba jong Petrus bakoy kat kumkurukom balaptha nagaritiniam bantep yaw pabukoy ka ordo exequiarum Romani Pontifices right of burial for Roman pontiffs. Hadin kajing laniam and sasdang kajing jingo kadu yakamet badang sa jong pabukoy. And sadon kajing laniam hakaduan jong confessio u Cardinal Carmelenko un sa pendep ya kajing laniam but and sabut da kajing le jingo yakamet jong pabukoy. Kasngitap yok pabukoy Pope Francis kan long hakasni sa jain arpun deuterik hakapor shipo baji menstep jokapor Rome lani shibaji siteng mensni hakapor India. Endon kamas bakoy hakamadan haba hakamat jonggayu maniba Petrus bakoy hakaba en sependep ekajing laniam daw Cardinal Giovanni Battista Re. Udin jongga kanhun ki Cardinal rengkat badika shimbenta jong ki Patriarch ki Cardinal ki Archbishop ki Bishop ki kli jonggiri beper bat ki baik rumait babun. Karpun rutrik yong kadairu kasni banangkong jong ki kendai sni kajing yam na kabenta kajing klat no jong pabukoy Pope Francis. Kat kum kajing trang jong Pope Francis and tep yu hakayong maniba pakraw jong ka Maria Rome. Yaki pabukoy la jutep ha Vatican. Andrei hadin lais pa snem tam and tep yu Pope Francis hakayong maniba pakraw Rome. Hakajalan yang ba Shillong andon kamas bakoy haka arpulai tarik arpusau tarik bat arpusan tarik miyong hayeng maniba cathedral laitumkra hakapor san shiteng janmit bat kumjuru man kasni haki paris jong kejalan yang ba Shillong hakajo kapor bat lani hakapor ba ki paris kin penbay kan salong kamas haka snitap yok pa bakoy Pope Francis haka arpun tarik miyong andon kamas bakoy hayeng maniba laitumkra hakapor shipo baji step but hakiparish hakapor kaju kapor shipo baji step ki para bangay kilaban shimbenta lambagi YouTube channel but TV hakamas bakoy bantep yok pa bakoy Pope Francis kabanlong Vatican hakapor shibaji shitang mensni haka arpun rutering arpusan. And we thank each of you for coming to this press conference relating to the Requiem Mass as well as the burial of late Pope Francis. According to the announcement made by His Eminence Cardinal Kevin Joseph Farrell on 21st April 2025 at 9:47 a.m. Vatican time. His Holiness Pope Francis passed away at 7:35 a.m. Vatican time, which corresponds to 11:05 a.m. Indian time, at his residence at Domus Sanctae Marthae, Vatican City. The cause of death has been declared as stroke, and irreversible cardiovascular collapse. The ceremony of certification of the death of Pope Francis was conducted by His Eminence Cardinal Kevin Joseph Farrell, the Camerlengo of the Holy Roman Church. Today, Wednesday, 23rd April 2025, at 9 a.m. Vatican time corresponds to 12:30 Indian time, after the moment of prayer, presided over by His Reverend Eminence Cardinal Kevin Joseph Farrell, the coffin with the deceased Roman Pontiff Francis will be carried from the chapel of the Domus Sanctae Marthae to the Papal Basilica of St. Peter, in accordance with the provisions of the Ordo Exequiarum Romani Pontifices, number 41 to 65. At the altar of the Confessio, the Cardinal Camerlengo will preside over the liturgy of the Word, at the end of which the visits to the body of the Roman Pontiff will begin. On Saturday, 26 April this year, at 10 a.m., first day of the Novendiali, the traditional 9-day period of mourning and prayer, held following the death of a Pope, on the Parvis of St. Peter's Basilica, the funeral mass of the Roman Pontiff Francis will be held in accordance with the provisions of the Ordo Exequiarum Romani Pontifices, number 82 to 109.